Daily routine. In the vibrant heart of a bustling city, Emily's day begins with a serene moment of meditation. As the first light of dawn creeps through her windows, she sits quietly, focusing on her breath. This practice of mindfulness infuses her morning with a sense of calm and clarity, a precious oasis of peace in her otherwise hectic urban life. For breakfast, Emily prepares a meal that balances simplicity with nutrition. She boils an egg until it's just right, savors the creamy texture of yogurt, and spreads peanut butter over whole wheat bread, a ritual that delights her senses. A glass of milk and a fresh orange complete her meal, providing the perfect blend of comfort and vitality. This breakfast, enjoyed in her cozy kitchen, not only nourishes her body but also sets a positive tone for the day ahead. Emily's commute to work is an invigorating bike ride through the city's lively streets. Pedaling with purpose, she navigates the thrum of morning traffic, feeling a connection to the city that energizes her spirit. This daily journey is more than just a means to an end. It's an integral part of her routine that she cherishes, a time when she feels most alive and engaged with the world around her. At her workplace, an interior design studio brimming with creativity, Emily begins her day by crafting a to-do list. This simple act of organization is, for her, an essential step in transforming her visions into reality. As she outlines her tasks, her mind buzzes with ideas, and she feels a surge of excitement for the projects that lie ahead. The coffee break at her studio is a cherished ritual, a time when Emily and her colleagues gather to share stories and laughter. These moments of camaraderie are a source of joy and inspiration, reinforcing the bonds that make their creative collaboration so fruitful. During these breaks, Emily feels a deep sense of belonging, a reminder of the value of her work and the support of her peers. Lunchtime offers Emily a chance to step away from her desk and enjoy a meal at a nearby cafe. This break is an opportunity for reflection and relaxation, a pause that recharges her creativity. The cafe, with its bustling atmosphere and diverse patrons, provides a backdrop for Emily to observe and draw inspiration from the world around her. Returning home after a fulfilling day at work, Emily finds solace in the ritual of cooking dinner. As she prepares her meal, the evening news plays in the background, keeping her connected to the wider world. This combination of culinary creativity and staying informed is a comforting routine that helps her unwind and process the day's events. After dinner, Emily relaxes on her couch, scrolling through social media. This time spent engaging with friends and exploring new ideas online is a leisurely way to end her day, offering both relaxation and a sense of connection to a broader community. The swimming pool is Emily's final retreat before bedtime. The rhythm of her strokes through the water is meditative, a physical release that clears her mind and soothes her body. In the pool's tranquil embrace, Emily finds a profound sense of peace, a fitting end to her day. Before slipping into bed, Emily reflects on her day. She journals about her experiences, thoughts, and feelings, a practice that helps her appreciate the richness of her life. This moment of introspection brings her a sense of gratitude and fulfillment. As she drifts off to sleep, soft music fills her room, a gentle soundtrack to her dreams. Emily's day, with its blend of activity and reflection, creativity and connection, encapsulates the fullness of her life. Each routine, each interaction, enriches her experience, weaving a tapestry of moments that define her journey.